It's harvest season right now in Poland, and pretty much every wheat field in town has a combine on it or a big harvester. There's fields everywhere. I'm gonna try to go a little bit further out and fly a drone around it because we're in a military airspace, so the drone won't even take off. But I just put Lumi inside the harvester. She doesn't remember when she was young. She was sitting in there with my uncle. So hopefully she'll bring some memories back for her and see how farm life is. It's not all about sitting down and eating fresh fruit and veg. You gotta actually do some work. So I hope she actually enjoys it. I'm sure she's gonna be hot in there because it's a hot day today here in Poland. I know it's like 28 degrees, which might not be nothing in Australia, but it's a dry heat, so you kind of sweat and it dries you out quite quickly. She might not be as excited as I used to be in one of those, but it's still a good life experience, I reckon. Whew. This is our family field. It's absolutely massive. And there's massive fields everywhere. It's all farmland here in Warsaw. Whew, very dry. Still got some greenery over there. I think those are sugar beets growing. But I remember when I was young, and I've done many vlogs here, but it just makes me smile to walk through here because I'm going to what's called my happy place, which is my father's old field, where there's an old apple tree there, and it's come back to life after a period of not producing any apples. And I'll go and take Lumi over there and might go for a bit of a walk. It is very warm today though. But look, on the side of the road, those are all apple trees growing. So you can never go hungry here. Just go for a walk, have yourself an apple and keep going. And also you've got in these roads wild berries, blackberries and raspberries and other fruits and berries are growing, and there's not much poison here, so you don't really have to worry about it. Check out the amount of apples here. You can pick them all and make yourself an apple cake or something like that and still have plenty left over. And how beautiful is this sight? I love it here. Absolutely love it. How was your harvester ride? Did it bring back memories? No, you don't remember? Oh my goodness. Oh well, I remember when I was up to 60 years old, I reckon. But anyway, good luck, Uncle. Have fun in there. Now we're going to our field. I just saw a couple of mice jumping from under the harvester, running away. I know it's not easy to see, but right there's a little head sticking out. That's a deer just having a good look at us. And I think there'll be a baby with it as well. In those trees. Oh, look at me, look, over there. I'm not sure you can see it. Oh yeah, you can see it. I caught the baby having a jump. Check our Instagram page for the photos. That's pretty cool. There's my apple tree that I was talking about. This apple tree. I used to sit under that apple tree when I was young and watch my dad work the fields. And I just eat apples all the time. And unfortunately they're high in fiber, so I crapped my pants. Had to go into the bush and taking care of business. Field. Let me, this is Judge's. Oh look, look, look! Wow. Another baby. This is where they were having a bit of a lie down. So there were two does, two babies. Unfortunately the baby went that way and the doe went that way. Hopefully they'll meet up. They all know where they are, so it's all good, but I'm having a bit of a lie down. I'm gonna have an apple from my apple tree. The previous field, I think it was corn here. Huh? What's wrong?
They're huge.
Yeah, and they cut you open. Like you got long pants. Don't have long pants, so I'm gonna be all cut up. Oh well, sacrifice. I'm gonna take Lumi to the old lake now. My grandfather used to take me fishing there. He built a raft, but in that lake are heaps of wild animals, including foxes. There's a fox burrow there. So Lumi's wanted to see a fox. So I'm gonna go and show her a fox, hopefully. It is 2 p.m. though, so then they tend to come out at night more. Mostly.
And they mostly come at night. Mostly.
I will see if we can get lucky. So many deer, which is awesome. Speaking of deer, there's one right there, having a feed. There's a lake in there, but it's got a lot of green algae. Look, you see it? We've already seen a couple of hares, but they were so fast I couldn't catch them with the camera. Lumi's like, what the hell is that? Yeah, they're fast. But I know that there is a fox burrow here. And just got to be super quiet and he'll come out. So beautiful here. Right, Lumi?
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's too hot. Lumi's complaining. So we're gonna go down to the road now and walk back to town. I'll go pick up the drone, go for a bit of a drive. Might go to the city for a bit. Come on, Lumi, let's go. Come on. Oh, finally got to the road. My legs are all cut up, bleeding. Oh well. All in the name of an adventure. Hey, you can wash your pants. I gotta wait a week for my legs to heal.